green is coming back, even pink is coming back. Within those color concepts, especially quartzites like Taj Mahal and Cristallo is one of the best sellers. We are an importer and manufacturer for marble, granite, overall natural stone, and quartz and porcelain. So we work with top designers, top architects, top home builders. We are a one-stop stone solution for retail customers and commercial customers. Our products are so unique. We import from all around the world, from quarries, marble quarries, granite quarries, and quartzite quarries. We also have amazing private quartz and porcelain collections. We have about 500 different colors, more than 10,000 slabs in stock for every kind of project. And so we are so honored to serve the best to our customers. People can contact us through our website, armina.com.